In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Xero invoice settings and templates, 5 minutes. First, head to the Xero login page. On the landing screen, select Login. Enter your sign-in details, then choose Login again to access your account. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard, which is your home base for everything in Xero. From the dashboard, click your company name at the top of the screen. This opens a menu where you can get to key setup options. Choose Settings, then look for Invoice Settings. This is where you control how your invoices look and behave. To build a custom layout, create a new branding theme. Select New Branding Theme, then choose the Custom Docs option. This tells Xero you'll be using a Word document template. Give your theme a clear descriptive name so you can identify it later, and confirm by selecting OK. Next, download the base template provided by Xero. You'll see a download option next to template. Save that docx file to your computer. This file contains fields that Xero fills automatically, like customer details, invoice numbers, dates, line items, and totals. Open the template in your word processor and customize it to match your brand. Add your logo, adjust fonts and colors, and tidy up the layout. Keep an eye on the merge fields and placeholders, things like invoice totals and item descriptions, so they remain intact. Avoid converting the file to another format. It needs to stay as .docs. If you want to fine-tune spacing, use tables and styles rather than deleting fields. That helps the data populate correctly when Xero generates the invoice. When your template looks right, return to Xero and upload it to your new branding theme. Choose Upload, then use the invoice browser to locate the .docx file you just edited. Select the file and confirm Upload. Xero will attach your customized template to the theme you created. That's it. Your custom invoice template is now part of your branding theme. The next time you create an invoice, you can pick this theme so your invoices reflect your brand consistently. If something doesn't look quite right, just edit your .docx and upload it again. A quick tip: keep a backup copy of your template and name versions clearly so you can roll back if needed. You've successfully customized your Xero invoice settings and templates, giving your invoices a professional, on-brand finish in just a few minutes.